Today, I feel like eating some chicken. You know what I'm saying? I got the last little spot we finna hit up called Wayne's Wings. So we finna hit up Wayne's Wings. We're gonna slide up in there and see what they got on the menu. But first, I'm gonna pick up my little boy real quick. Take him to the barber shop. It's time to go get him a haircut. So we're gonna pick up my son real quick. We'll see y'all next time. Alright, y'all, we back. I just pulled up to pick up my son real quick and take him to the barber shop. See y'all there. You know where we going?
No.
You going to go get handsome. So what that mean when you going to go get handsome?
To get a haircut?
Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, we back. Just pulled up to the barbershop. Yeah, All Stars Barbershop in San Antonio. I'm gonna slide up here, get my boy a fresh cut real quick. Then we're gonna slide over to Wayne Wings. See y'all there. Sarge, you like your haircut?
Yeah.
You ready to go eat?
I said yeah.
You see that whip that's parked outside? I had to hustle for it. Them 22s up on my ride. I had to hustle for it. I just spent some bands on my beat. I had to hustle for it. And I ain't asking the nigga for shit. I had to hustle for it. Hustle, 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 hustle. I had to hustle. pulling out 22s on the feet, got them looking out. Bitch get whatever she want cause I'm spinning bang. Sitting at the tape, make it bend it pan. Blaze on the wheel, yeah, child like a ceiling fan.
Alright, y'all, we here, we at Wayne's Wings. You know what I'm saying? So we just left the barber shop, my boy Fresh Haircut. So we finna go ahead and check out what they got on the menu. The family buster.
Alright, so just gonna be $99 to go.
$99,
absolutely. Give me a name for your order, please.
Cash.
I love that name. 5 final cake, give me 5 more flavors.
That's the dry, right?
This is the dry.
That's the spicy one they call it?
Spicy cauliflower is a dry as well. And you can get some more flavors, sir. So right now we got 4 flavors.
Honey barbecue?
There you go. Give me one more. Have you had the Texas honey bee?
You throw it on that.
And I'm still gonna give you a sauce at the side. You got 3 drinks, those are self-serve. Just so you know, we do have our first game squeeze lemonade, sweet tea, or fountain sodas, whatever you like.
I want it. Alright, y'all, we back. So we just ordered the food. They cooking it up right now. We have the family buster, come with 30 wings, a large fry, 3 drinks.
Enjoy now, so let me know if you need anything else. Go, second meal. Be careful, folks, and enjoy now. Let me know if you need anything else, okay?
Alright, y'all, it's about to go down. We got some good old wings. They famous for their butter cake wings. Give it a bite. It's so good. All over the floor.
How was everything, Mr. Cash?
It's pretty good, pretty good.
Wonderful. I'm glad you like your first time here.
I'm coming back.
Please do that. Come back again. Thank you guys. Thank you folks. You have a wonderful night.
All right.
Appreciate you. Bye-bye.
All right, y'all. So that wraps up today's video for Get Your Grub On. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, so leave a comment. Let me know what place I should hit next. Wayne's Wings, San Antonio. Don't forget.
Like and subscribe.
Tell them.
Like and subscribe.
All right.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.